Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to dynamic search ads in Google Ads. So for this you have to go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. Then simply type in Google Ads in the top navigation bar. Then here you have to just choose the first option from here, and once in the first option you have to just simply sign into your own account or just go for the start now button as your preferences, and then it will simply take you to this page, and here you have to just simply click on the campaigns from here, and from the campaigns you have to choose the ad groups from here. And once you're in the ad groups you have to just simply click on the plus icon from here. Once you click on the plus icon here, you will get the option of select a campaign. These are all the campaigns that are currently running. So let's say I'd like to go for the Sleepy one from here. If you just simply click on it, it will simply take you to this page, and from here you have to just simply click on the ad group type to dynamic and just give a ad group name. So let's go for ad group 2, then just simply click on the save and continue, and after that it will simply do your dynamic ad search. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.